Then after that, in another vision, I stood. Then I saw water. It was like a road, like this. So the water has taken over this road. I was like, where is this place? You know, I've always been giving, even this year I gave prophets about water, but there's something about water which I'm seeing which is different. So I saw people trying to pass through. Because there's a road there, the water took over. So for me, I was standing where there's a dry. From here to the old water. People were entering that water, but the water would repel them back, bring them back. Others were almost like to die, but they would come up with it. You see blacks. I was like, okay. Then that means she's Uganda. Shortly, I saw again whites. Whites, some are coming even with the cars, pushing them away. Okay, no, these are not whites. Okay, which country? I see all the sea visions. I'm in the same place. That different people I'm seeing here is having different meanings. I first saw blacks. Then I saw whites like around 5 times. Then again I saw whites. I mean blacks. So it's showing me this issue of what it is like flooding, but issues of water, heavy rain coming and water taking over people's things. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? So we should pray and know that this is the last days. For me, if you give me a place where there is a fire like this, I can't even take it now. Believe me, I cannot. Because of the visuals I've been having about water. As if water is coming to take over every position which used to be its own. Here, in our country, Africa, and the whole world. The whites are representing the whole world. I was still there in the same position. Somebody came from the country of Jamaica. Started talking to me. And he said, thank you for praying for me. God is my witness. I've never prayed for Jamaica. I pray for the whole country, the whole world, but even mentioning Jamaica, I'm not it. But he was thanking me that this same thing I'm seeing here, it had happened in that place, but we pray for them. I pray for them. So I don't know the news whether Jamaica is having that issue of water. So Jamaica is representing, that is which continent? Yeah? Jamaica is which continent?
South America.